Hello. Today we are looking at how to install Krita on a Chromebook easily. Firstly, we will turn on Linux apps. To do this we will go to our system settings and click on the About Chrome OS section on the left panel. Under the Developers section, choose to set Linux up. Turn on Linux. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run one command in a terminal, which will install Krita. The command are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This command will install the application. Press Enter. Krita is now installed. Let's launch it. Enjoy. All content which you want to use and exports will be in your Linux files.